Number 40 wants us to simplify, and then if any rational exponents appear after simplifying, to write our answer in radical notation. So we had the 10th root of x squared. So if I convert this to a fraction exponent, this will be 2 over 10. And then if I reduce that fraction, it's 1 over 5. And then if I put that back into radical notation, that will be the 5th root of x. So that's kind of one of the advantages to converting it to a fraction, is that you can actually reduce the radical, or you can reduce the root. So instead of having to write 10th root of x squared all the time, you can just write the 5th root of x, and it means the same thing. For 41, I want to convert it, so this would be 27a to the 12 raised to the 1/3. Then I want to apply that 1/3 to both of them, and that will be 27 to the 1/3 a to the 12 over 3. So 27 to the 1/3, that's the same as cubed root of 27. And then a to the 12 over 3, that's the same thing as a to the 4th. So then cubed root of 27 is 3, and I'm bringing along the a to the 4th. So 3a to the 4th would be our final answer.